Hello, I'm William Morton with Banyan Restorations. We do a lot of woodworking, build furniture, restore furniture, and from time to time we'll do an oddball project, which can be quite inspiring sometimes. My brother, who lives in Little Rock, works for a nonprofit, has a coworker that's retiring and requested that for a gift, he was going to give him a walking stick. The man's an avid hiker, backpacker, and it was a unique gift that he thought would be good to give. Making it out of 4 different kinds of material of wood. I'm going to quarter each one of these. I'm going to make 4 of these different kinds of wood. I'm going to quarter them, put them in a pipe, glue them up, and twist it before the pipe sets. Before the glue sets. So hopefully it's a tight, nice staff with a fluted twist all the way up using 4 different contrasting colored woods. I hope it works. When I got the call for this project, he only gave me 3 stipulations. 1, it had to be a walking stick. 2, it had to have a heart engraved somehow on it. And 3, it had to have some text. He wanted a quote on it, which could either be carved, and I suggested we use our laser burning machine, CNC laser machine, which ended up being just the ticket. Other than that, it was all improvisation and really good fortunate luck that it turned out the way it did. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and like. Click the like button, the subscribe button, the button, the thumbs up button. Just click all the buttons. We appreciate it. It would really help us out.